Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back again, our friends in grade 10, for the last part of the final revision. The next question is, show the importance of number 1, the light microscope. The answer, the light microscope can magnify things like small microorganisms or small cells, but not more than 1,500 times. Number 2, electronic microscope. The electronic microscope helps the scientists to discover the unknown cellular organelles and can see by the electronic microscope the details of the cell that cannot be seen by the light microscope, and you can see also the very small microorganisms. Number 3, scanning electronic microscope. It is used to study the cell surface. Number 4, transmission electronic microscope. It is used to study the internal structure of the cell. Compare between animal cell and plant cell. The animal cell found in the animal body is a building unit of animal body, and the plant cell is a building unit of plant body, and also some algae. Algae also made of plant cell. Animal cell has nucleus, cytoplasm, and organelles inside the cytoplasm and surrounded by plasma membrane. The plant cell has also nucleus, cytoplasm, and surrounded by plasma membrane and cell wall. There is some organelles found only in the animal cell, like centrosome, and there is some parts of the plant cell not found in the animal cell, like the cell wall and the plastids. Number 2, cell wall and plasma membrane. Cell wall is made of cellulose and it surrounds the plant cell only and some algae cells. The plasma membrane surrounds both animal cell and plant cell, and it is made of bilayer of phospholipids and protein. Cell wall made of cellulose. Plasma membrane made of phospholipids and protein. Number 3, lysosomes and ribosomes. Lysosomes contain some lysosomic enzymes, help in digesting and killing some microbes. Or anybody enter the cell, or any old cell, or any cell with no function. Lysosome can destroy it. Ribosome found in the endoplasmic reticulum and sometimes free in the cytoplasm, and its main function is production of proteins. Number 4, chloroplasts and chromoplasts. Chloroplasts, the green plastids, which have the green pigment chlorophyll, which have the ability to absorb sunlight and make photosynthesis. Chromoplasts, the colored plastids, which have other pigments or carotenoids, which give the plant a color, like which found in carrots or found in the apples, in the flowers. It gave a color. Number 5, xylem tissue and phloem tissue. Xylem tissue is made of xylem vessels and xylem tracheids and the parenchyma. Phloem tissue is made of sieve tube and sieve plates, and also contain companion cell and parenchyma. Xylem tissue function to transport water and salts from the root to leaves, from the root to stem, then to leaves. And the phloem tissue to transport the food from leaves to all parts of the plant. Give reason. Plant cells have a definite shape. The answer is due to the presence of cell wall, which gave the cell a definite shape. Number 2, plasma membrane plays an important role in the cell. The answer is because the cell membrane organizes the substances which enter and leave the cell. Number 3, ribosomes play an important role in the cell. The answer is because they are responsible for protein synthesis or making protein in the cell. Number 4, plant cell can perform photosynthesis process while animal cell cannot. The answer because the plant cell has chloroplast, but the animal cell doesn't have the chloroplasts. Number 5, there are many Golgi bodies in glandular cells. The answer is the Golgi body has a function of secretion. So Golgi body responsible for secreting some hormones. So it's found in glandular cells. Number 6, mitochondria are frequently found in muscles and muscular tissue, muscular cells. The answer is because mitochondria is a center of production of energy. So muscles need a lot of energy. Number 8, xylem is from the most important tissues in the plant or in the trees because xylem transport water from root to stem then to the leaves. Phloem is one of the most important tissues in the plant or trees. The answer is because it transport the food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. Number 10, phloem tissue. There are living companion cell attached to this tissue, to the sieve tube. The answer is because the companion cell has mitochondria which produce energy needed for the sieve tube to transport the ready-made food. So it provides the sieve tube with energy. Number 11, epithelial tissue line the small intestine of living organism. The answer is in order to protect the cells under this surface from microbes and damage and dryness. So the epithelial cell protect it from microbes, from damage, protect it from dryness. Number 12, presence of columnar epithelial tissue in the intestine. The function of columnar epithelial tissue to absorb the food after digestion, to make absorption process. Label this cell. This is of course a plant cell. Labels here: A, Golgi body, B, vacuole, C, mitochondria, D, ribosomes. Number C, letter C is the cell wall. F, cell membrane. G, chloroplast. H, rough endoplasmic reticulum. I, nucleolus. J, nucleus. K, cytoplasm. The function of A, D, and G. Function of A, it is Golgi body. It modifies and transports the substances sent to them from the endoplasmic reticulum across the cell or to outside the cell. D, which is ribosomes, they are the centers of protein production or protein synthesis. G, which is chloroplast, to perform photosynthesis process. Thank you for following us. I hope you benefited from these videos. Thank you very much. I would like to thank you for good listening and care. I want you all to get the full mark, inshallah. Exert your best and you will get what you want, inshallah. Thank you very much. Until we meet again, thank you and goodbye.